Hello Vivites, I am Dr. Balu Kolar, MD in Ayurveda, and I am going to talk to you all about an amazing women wellness product from Indus Viva, Eye Care. Eye Care is a wellness-based nutritional supplement propelled with ancient Ayurvedic principles specifically formulated for women above 35 years of age. Are you stressed about hormonal imbalance? Do you know what impairment of hormones can lead to? PCOD, hypothyroidism, obesity, bone and joint pain, stress, depression and anxiety, blood pressure and diabetes. I have seen several women patients above 35 years of age in my clinical practice with complaints of menstrual irregularities, muscle weakness, joint pains and severe anxiety with stress. During my extensive research on women health and wellness, I found that 80% of Indian women lead their lives without realizing about their impaired hormonal issues where they require compulsory health assistance. 68% of women population over 35 years of age suffer from joint pains. Depressive stress disorders account for close to 42% of disability among women as compared to 30% among men. Prescription-based medicine can only provide momentary and symptomatic relief to women suffering from such ailments. In addition to this, they also pose a lot of unwanted side effects. To my surprise, I came across this wellness product Eye Care from Indus Viva, which provides comprehensive support for overall women's health. Eye Care is a unique natural formulation with mouth-watering peach flavor derived from basics of Ayurveda, propelled with In-Cumin Fusion, which is a patented blend of bioavailable curcumin that supports overall women's health because of its antioxidant and immune booster properties. Goodness of Boswellia extracts help manage muscle and joint disorders because of its anti-inflammatory properties. Age-old asparagus extracts help manage menstrual irregularities and supports hormonal health. Valerian roots are traditionally known to support stress, balance mental health and wellness in women. In addition to this, Eye Care also contains a host of herbal ingredients and nutrition to support pre- and post-menopausal issues, aches and pains. It normalizes mood, improves digestion and metabolism, thus maintaining overall women's health. I would like to recommend you to consume 30 ml of Eye Care twice a day, half an hour before consuming food. Eye Care is a 100% natural product and can be safely consumed by women above 35 years of age. Eye Care may also be consumed by women with diabetes and hypertension without worrying much about the side effects. Eye Care is also safe to be consumed along with other medications and is well tolerated for longer periods. Celebrate womanhood with Eye Care.